Welcome to the MBA Whisperer channel. In today's video, we will continue to share on business management concepts. Join us in this learning journey.
Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter on your desk? You're not alone. Many face common clutter issues in their workspaces, drastically affecting productivity and emotional well-being. The chaos of disorganized files, overflowing in trays, and tangled cables poses both a physical and emotional barrier. Disorganization hampers quick document retrieval, stifles creativity, heightens stress, and undermines professional confidence. There's a clear relationship between a tidy workspace and enhanced productivity, with clutter representing a multifaceted challenge. Let's journey together into the depths of disorganization to find our way to victorious clarity, introducing practical strategies to transform your chaos. Amid the chaos, where papers sprawl and digital files multiply in unseen corners, lies an opportunity for transformation. We begin our journey from disorder to harmony, viewing your desk not as a cluttered mess, but as a blank canvas for your organizational masterpiece. Start by decluttering unnecessary items and assigning homes to your essentials with both aesthetic and functional organizers, boosting focus and productivity. Venturing into the digital realm, efficient file management shines light on a seamless workflow. Establish a logical folder structure and embrace cloud storage for better accessibility and security. Decluttering both your digital and mental spaces, fostering creativity and clarity. Extending beyond the desk, optimizing your office layout by defining clear zones amplifies productivity. Envision an inspiring, motivating workspace that exceeds mere functionality. Each step forward is a stride towards a more organized, fulfilling work life, promising elevated productivity, reduced stress, and enhanced work satisfaction. Witness the transformation as your well-organized office boosts not only your work, but your overall well-being. Imagine entering an office where chaos is tamed and every item finds its place, transforming your workspace and workday alike. This achievable reality brings profound benefits. Heightened productivity and efficiency are just the beginning. The harmony of an organized space aligns your mind, unleashing unparalleled creativity and efficiency. The advantages extend beyond immediate mood improvements. A sustainably ordered space means reduced stress and more effective time use. Embrace organization as not just an aspiration, but a necessity for elevating your professional experience and enjoying the ride. This journey from clutter to clarity showcases that organization is key to a happier, healthier work life.
Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning! Thank you for viewing this video, and we hope you enjoyed this. Do give us some support by liking and sharing this video. Stay tuned for future updates. Happy microlearning!